the Electric Orange Braided Solo Loop from Apple. Retails for $99 at Apple, available for all Apple Watch generations and sizes. We previously did an unboxing of all the 2021 watch bands so far. Today we're doing a full review, which includes matching watch faces and how to style the solo loop, on top of the usual practicality and design. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Apple is definitely making us hungry with these colors reminiscent of summer drinks and desserts. From creamy to punch-like colors like this. Come out with watermelon already. Electric Orange is like coral, with a little more orange and a drop of cream. Slightly vibrant, though not as much as its matching iPhone case, because of the fabric material catching the light differently, which leads us into this finely woven polyester silicone, beautifully made to stretch for a custom fit. When choosing your size, go a size down from what they suggest on Apple's online sizing guide. Like after printing it out, it told me I was a size 4, but it turned out size 3 fit better. To assemble, slide in both ends with a metal piece on the inside. Then simply put your hand through, traditionally just past the wrist bone. You could see how easy it is to put on and off. Putting on sunscreen? Easy. Braided solo loops definitely express fashion with function. If you appreciate these details, the $99 will be worth it. I still haven't found a good knockoff for braided solo loops that looks as nice as the original. Let me know if you have. Surely comfortable to work out in. It doesn't loosen up or anything when it comes to switching between warm and cold temperatures. I know it's fabric, but I've yet to see how it deals with sweat over time. No stains yet. If you've seen my last braided solo loop styling video, you know how great these are with casual wear. It's best with it, whether it's jeans and a t-shirt, graphic or solid, or a blousey top for her. You can get a little dressy, but it just doesn't look good with a business suit, semi-formal at the most. You can get away with activewear, but it's honestly not best with it. You might as well wear a regular solo loop, which I wish they had for this color. Matching this color is the most fun part. I love it with beige or anything close to brown. Pastels look great. Orange brings out the brightest part of it. Besides the obvious neutrals, other colors I noticed mix well with it when done tastefully is gold, navy, pink, green, mint green, and turquoise. Electric Orange is now a color available on several watch faces. For this, I like to match the casing of my Apple Watch instead. Or play with other kinds of orange and red. For some reason, I like full screen faces with braided loops. Its intensity somehow makes any multicolor face work. As well as sportier ones. You know the classics always work. In conclusion, this is a great watch band if you love the color and enjoy braided solo loops, especially if you need something for your casual wardrobe. Let me know if this helped you. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Next, I'll post more iPad Pro and Mac content, plus full reviews. Thanks for watching.